Leggo the Bird. How long we do the dance when you Leggo the Bird? And who make we do the dance Leggo the Bird? And a Monsta, Joel, the man of a pit.
Can't take a dancer, no time, Lally. Your mama boy, your mama be Leggo the Bird, Lally. I suck your
Bang.
You know, Father Drunk representing for the review chief, Edjahz. Like and subscribe for the latest and the greatest. Edjahz review them, official them, stainless. Yo, Edjahz, your channel the rise. Stay focused, keep your eyes on the prize. Shanto Mananko, crow for me.
Off the body house up a Portland way. Me a fit do it from now, me now wait till me how long way.
Up move, it's never done move. I don't know if Edjahz there up on a brand new show, a fresh new show. Big up all of my subscribers and all of my viewers them. And all who not subscribe it, nothing at all no change. The door is always open, so I know if you go do. On this show, the buckle between LAA and him farmer dancer will be Leggo the Bird continue. Now the dancer went public the other day and I exposed LAA and make the people know say LAA nah give him no funds. Monsta boss say him never yet collect money from LAA. And the one time him asked him, the artist style him wicked. LAA make him know say him and a Western Union. So the dancer take attack the personal as big disrespect and show up LAA on the media. LAA then went live and run with Monsta boss wicked. Him basically make the dancer know say him not obligated for give money. Him send him dance guy roads are him for utilize the opportunity.
Start the money then me hold one lane. Eyes up my white, me know farmer no play. Long time me a do this.
Now the live LAA go and I expose Monsta boss are running with wicked. LAA go make a talk and say Anna Monsta boss are the founder for Leggo the Bird. The entertainer say a long time them a do it. It's a next umbre round them create the dance. I just told the brother they can't dance. Make him not follow it up. Now you see that talk the way LAA go make pan him life look like he get Monsta boss bringle. When me say the dancer get dark pan LAA, don't feel like a joke. The dancer went as far as to tell LAA about him mother and I make him know say I must she build it. In a real life, Monsta boss was very disrespectful to how him attack LAA. Can definitely see attack the way LAA make bun him bad.
Definition of real. Born for this, yeah. Did know say me born for it.
We also have a bad dancer recording artist I send a message out there. Him a make the people know say him worthy, him born for this. The entertainer when me a speak of go by the stage name So Vile. The entertainer Leggo a motivational track for the youth them and have to do the right thing and feature it. And the exact music video I want to see a display on the screen now and then. It is entitled Born for This. So we make a run through the positive music video here quick and fast, then we get to the Buckry update. People are right here so it start. Here is So Vile have to say. Check out what I go on.
I know the truth. Me put me emotions in my jaw. Me can't love again, me and solid froze.
So that's So Vile new official music video entitled Born for This. And it's a Demon and a Cloud9 music production. Big up the production team them. I just know about Cloud9 music, but me already familiar with Demon production. Whole heap of work that team they push out. Anyways, this track now from an artist is a firm meditation kind of track. The entertainer basically a show say no matter where them throw at him, no matter the struggles are forward in the way. Him born for this, him a born fighter. Me put my emotions in my tune. Me can't love again, my heart solid froze. Them turn me into a savage, bro. Life lesson, but no, me never sorry though. Now based off of the entertainer yarn so we can see say him been through it. But somehow he managed to make it out, now him a reap the glory. More from the official music video, Born for This.
But this a song you just to make you know. Born for this, yeah. Did no one say I'm born for it.
So that's the chorus of the track and deep meditation from So Vile. I hope when I listen keenly to where the artist I answer. Born for this, yeah, I did know I did born for rich. It easy for dead, but it hard for live. Me have vengeance in my heart, certain things man can't forget. No jokes, my people, is a fight out there just for survive. You have to have them kind of mindset here with So Vile have. Yeah man, you have to make up your mind and tell yourself say you're born for this. When you hear what the artist say, it easy for dead, but it hard for live. Humble, deep meditation chorus from So Vile. Excellent delivery, can't go around that. We only talk truth around here. More from the official music video.
If I dash with the stick when me cross the bridge, me see friend turn enemy, me can't believe. That's why me cheap.
Bad track, irie piece of music video. But sorry, I can't get to play the work piece long. Cause if I could, I would have played a whole light all at once for now. But because of copyrighted material, we have to work with the law. We have to just give a piece of the track. So definitely, I know I will not get the fullness of it. In order to see the true potential of this work piece from Sovile, I advise you to go over the Entertainer channel, go check out what I go on. It was released on Sovile official YouTube Viva channel a couple days ago. Click on the link there, it will carry us straight over there. Do the right thing, my people, when artists are world meditation. Go over there, go show the support. Remember, say a band for this Sovile go, and enough of we can relate to that.
Empire night up late, can't sleep at night. Eyes open, I watch out for snake and mice.
Leggo the bird. How long we do the dance when you Leggo the bird? And who make we do the dance Leggo the bird? And a Monsta, Joel. The man have a pigeon down in my yard, have a big pigeon coop. Leggo the bird video shoot, I go show no. And them baby to them McDonald's from but baby to play Charles Money Cup and score Leggo the bird celebration all over Arnett lift up. Bassa Skeng. No, Monsta run with it, you don't know Joel now go. Joel and a dancer, so Joel now go say, yo, I my dance.
Nobody not bucking man, brother. You never give me that yet, batty man. Every time I come video shoot, every night video shoot, dirt bunks, you never give me that yet, batty boy. Can't move my brother. But fed up now, brother, I can't hold it no more, bad man. I want him to charge it. I give him $1. I go up alone, give me money, go up the producer, brother. The producer alone, give me money, people, the producer, boy. Go up, buy him alone, give me money, Lally don't give me that money, Lally, boy. I love sweets, brother. See, man, come and talk about look about people build land, because I'm mother Lally. See, you feel like, if I look at you build land, so where you giving them praise there? If I look at you build land, say no, that why you giving them praise there? Because I'm mother, brother. See, man, I want him to charge you, now give me nothing, brother. You must pay him dead young at this, brother. I want to tell all the brother can style me.
Here, man, 3 you should have come down. Here, man, 3 you should have come.
I want to tell my youth.
Put on your pan of water.
Touch a dog. Sorry, dog. Lally. Mama Lally, you can't see the dancer, no time. No time, Lally. Mama boy, mama build leg on the bird, Lally. I can't man, you talk about people build leg on the bird, boy. You can't even dance a big Lally. That method, you can't teach this, boy. No time. Mother Lally. Bro, Lally, I want to tell you, brother. See, you know me, boy, come and chat to me, but you don't give man $1, brother, nobody with man, brother. Go to me now for leave you, come and dead strong, Lally, I'm going to pay you. Okay, the Lally, man. You can stand me, because Mama Lally, brother. See, boy. Bro, Lally, me this, sir. See, Lally. You can stand me, mother. No, but Mama again, no money now, man, brother. You feel like, mother. Oh, yeah, man, just time, boy. Eh, you come and talk about people build dance. Can't teach me dancing, can't teach the dancer. No time, no one can teach a dancer. No stone up on the screen, no one can teach a dancer. Eh? I want to no charge you, man. Every night, man, out with a sleepless night charge and give me $1, brother. Go to them thing, them, brother, and make money on the side, brother. I'm like, if you don't give me away from you, brother, you do song for man, brother, and I want to give me no money. I go up alone and give me money, brother. How you feel, you? How you feel, Ali, brother? They charge you, man. Do them thing they charge you. Don't do that, brother. I want to you. You can style me. See? How you, man? Fed up now, I'm fed up charging. I'm fed up now, brother. Man, my youth, them want food, brother. I'm fed up charging. I want to you, bad man. Okay, Mama. Can't style me. I'm fed up, I can't hold it no more, bad man. Good thing, man, no for it, but you're not giving me nothing better. See, boy, you can't shut up your mouth. See, how you, man? I'm mad. Chill even now, I told me I will try to hold it down in the youth. I can't hold it no more, brother. I can't hold it no more, brother. Okay, come and talk about Ray, leg of the man, Bill, leg of the bird. You know leg of the bird, Bill? You know why leg of the bird start? Fucking bright. I want no man. I want to know charge, and I don't have talent. And I don't have talent. Talent about all our foot, brother. I'm telling you that. I want to tell Lally, you can style me no time, brother. You want to tell bad man. Are you going to link me for tune, you know? You never have no more song to sing, boy, you know? You never have no more dance to sing, boy, no, Lally. You never have no more dance to sing, boy. I link my brother. I make me know the Monsta, very. You never have no more song, dance to sing, boy. You come and go and say, I'm in into the Lally do song. You never have no more song, dance to sing, boy, brother. No more, brother. Dear Lally, how are you, man? This your boy.
I am a Monsta.
Boy, come and talk about Anna me, we love the bird and this and that.
I am
King bird, you stinky.
You did build it.
See your bird, dog.
Batty boy, you know I build say. Hey boy, know what you do, yeah?
I'm 21 people. I'm build my dance. I try to do my dance. Big Lally. I feel like So you know, look at the bird bill, Batty. Boy, they know the youth. You know, look at the bird bill, brother. So you know, look at the bird bill, brother. Oh, look at the bird bill. Oh, pipe bill, boy. I see them there, I'll be a singer from a talk. Pipe, brother. See, boy. Boy, they know the youth. You come and go up my life, man, talk about a man bill, look at the bird. See, man. Let's camera again. I'm pay charge. Like a body in a youth. Man, the man, nobody man, brother. If man are dead for young, this Ben youth. I say that, but I'm outside. If I outside charge at night and sleep, but the man can't sleep. Lolly do song. You know, have no more song dance to sing more, brother. No more, brother. Dear Lolly, who you, man?
That was it for the show. Big up all of my subscribers and all of the viewers that must stay until the end of the show. Really appreciate it. Bless up on yourself and go and live good.
But that's why man have to pray, yeah. But my born for this, yeah. They know I say we're born for it.